So hello guys, welcome back to the new video, and here in this video I'm going to share you one of the magical prompt that how you can get the climatic temperature of your particular own city with the help of chatgpt. So this is the prompt I have written. What is the fastest way to get the weather report from the terminal? So the ChatGPT replied with an amazing output. So the ChatGPT told, just run this command into your terminal and just you are done with the temperature report of your particular city. So here is the command that ChatGPT gave, and here even there is another command, but we are going to use the first command and let's see what will happen. So I will open up CMD into my browser and just I will paste this command that is given by the ChatGPT, and here just I will write my location as Pune and then I will press enter. So just see guys, it's so amazing that we are able to generate the report of the city Pune into our terminal. So isn't that amazing? Just you can see here the location is Pune, Maharashtra, and the pin code is 411001 India. And this is the report. This is the 21st Feb, then report of 22nd Feb and 23rd Feb. So it will give the report of 3 days as we can see, and this is the current report at a particular time. So just you can go out and try it in your terminal, how you can generate the report with the help of ChatGPT. So yeah, this was the video that I showed you how you can use ChatGPT to get the report of your particular location of the weather. So this video I'm going to tell you, this video is sponsored by aiconvo.in, where I have created one particular course based on ChatGPT, like 101 different ways to make money. So you just go through the website aiconvo.in and just you can go throughout the curriculum. I have shown you how you can use ChatGPT in 101 different ways. I have given you the prompt text files also. As you can see here, case 1, ChatGPT as an advertiser, like I have told you how you can use as advertiser. Then I have given you prompt, just you copy and paste it in your ChatGPT terminal. So yeah, just you can go through the curriculum, and if you feel that it is worth buying, then just use the code elon20. you will get rupees 400 off on 1899. So yeah, this was a video. I have told here how you can use ChatGPT to generate the weather report. So thank you for watching. I will give the link of my website into description. Till then, I will meet you into the next video. Bye.